Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial, and this is going to be a very short tutorial because I just want to show you how I did these holes for the cord. So you can position them everywhere you want, and let me show you how I did position this one for this specific mochila, but for a simpler one you can just do the holes wherever you want. The way of doing it is the same as I show you in this tutorial. If you are new to my channel, I hope you like the content of my channel and you give me a thumbs up and of course subscribe. And if you are not new to my channel, thank you for watching me and following me, and just give me a thumbs up again on your way out. And I hope that my tutorials are helpful for you, and let's just get into it. Okay guys, so now I will show you how I am going to calculate where to put the holes. First of all, I never put the holes when I start a new pattern, because if I do that, if I start a hole here and the next one is going to be on the way all around and it's going to be close to this one and they are not going to be in the same level. So if one is going to be here, the other one is going to be up here. So I usually try to avoid this area over here. So this one always I put at the back. And of course, I'm not going to do two holes around here, but I will use this area here, okay? First, I will choose my front part, and my front part is going to be this one here, okay? Because this part here, where I start the new pattern, is going to be at the back. So I need this one at the front. Also, the two holes, I never put too far away one from the other one. I usually put them close, okay? So, at this part here is going to be the front. And because this is with 8 increases, I think I am going to have 8 holes. So this is going to be the front part, so I will use the pattern, one hole here and the other one at the other side of this line over here, okay? This is what I'm going to do. And this is going to be at the front, which means that this pattern here is going in. Once you are pulling the cord, this is going to go here inside, and this one also is going to go inside. So on this way I can see where I am going to place the holes. First I do this, and now I can see where I am going to place the holes. I will place one hole here, another one here, and then another one here and here, so it's 4, one here, so it's 6, another one here, here, so it's 8. Okay, so this is how I calculate the placement of the holes. You can just follow me and let's get into it. So I will have the holes at the green blue part and at the dark blue part, okay, so just that we know. Okay, so the pattern I did until here. Now I will do the holes at this line over here, and then I will do 2 more rows with the pattern, and then I will do the crab stitch. So still I am going to do the holes, but I am also going to follow the pattern. So I am going to do 3 beige stitches, and then the pattern will follow 6 green blue stitches, the pattern will follow 1 beige stitch, and now I have the pattern 3 green blue stitches, but 2 of them I will use for the whole of the cord. I'm not going to insert the hook at the back loop to do the stitches, but I am going to do 2 stitches carrying the thread, so like this, 1 and 2. And the third one I will insert at the back loop, okay? in this way we have a hole. And here I must change because the pattern, the next one, will follow with 2 beige stitches, so I need to change and close with a beige color. Okay, so next 2 beige stitches. So I did 1 hole at this side, I'm gonna do the same thing at the other side. So the pattern will follow 3 green-blue stitches, but 1 of them I am going to insert the hook at the back loop of the first stitch, and 2 of them I am going to do just carrying the other colors. So 1 stitch as a normal stitch, and another 2, just insert like this. And I am going to close with beige because the next stitch is going to be beige. Put the stitches in their place with your hand. Okay. And now the pattern is 1 beige stitch. So I did the pattern, but I also did the 2 holes that I need for the cord, okay? So the pattern will follow 6 green-blue stitches. Okay, so this is the pattern that I am going to follow. So once I have done 2 holes over here, I will just repeat this pattern for the next flower with a white color. But here I'm not gonna do any holes because I need the holes, as I told you, in my 2 green-blue patterns and in my 2 dark blue patterns. So once I arrive here, I will just do the same, and I will go all around. Once I finish the round where I have the holes, I will do 2 more rounds with the pattern, and then the 3rd round I will do the crab stitch. Okay, so this is one way of doing it if you want to have a precise position for the cord. And another way is just you put the holes where you feel like they have to be put, like maybe you can have a hole in this pattern, in this color, maybe another one here, another one here, here, on each one. It's up to you, where do you want to position the cord.